This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Almost new home sold in November of 2020. Seller relocating and offering a home complete with all stainless steel kitchen appliances along with a washer and dryer. 6-foot vinyl privacy fence newly installed, garage door opener and more. Truly a turnkey property that just needs your personal items to call it home. Act fast on this property while interest rates and inventory are extremely low. Dog park in the community and so much more to offer with this amazing location at the Lakes of Martinsburg. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.